Understanding the energy-saving technology behind Architella is complex. So to help explain how it works, we have with us today the inventor of Duet Honeycomb Shades, our very own Wendell Colson. Wendell, thanks so much for being here.
Welcome.
Wendell, we all know that Architella is beautiful, but what makes it so energy efficient?
Well, first, it's important to understand that buildings use 35% of all energy consumed in the U.S., and windows are the holes where we see heat drain in and out. Thermal energy, a fancy name for heat, wants to flow from where it's warm to where it's cold, and windows are the perfect place for heat to escape from a home in winter and enter the home in summer. Take a look at this thermal picture. Because it's winter, the bright areas show where the house loses the most energy.
And Architella can make a big difference in slowing that flow of heat?
Absolutely. Notice the difference between the two windows on the left with no covering and the one window on the right with Architella. You can see the difference. Architella insulates the window, minimizing heat loss.
And that can save consumers up to 30% on their energy bills?
Yes, and it's all due to its unique patented construction.
You mean the cell within a cell design?
Architella's construction works in two ways to save consumers money on their energy bills. First, it acts as an insulation barrier to help maintain constant temperature inside, so warm air doesn't escape in winter. And second, through reducing solar heat gain, which is much more important in summer.
So exactly how does Architella work?
Architella is designed with cells that trap air, and as we all know, air is a good insulator. Let me show you. Here is a Duet Architella shade mounted in our window. Let's say it's winter, so this side is the inside of our home. And of course, that side is the cold outdoors. In this demonstration, we're going to measure the temperature that leaves our room with the shade open and then again with it closed using this infrared thermometer, which instantly tells us the temperature of whatever it's pointed at.
Really? Can I try it?
Sure.
So if I point it at the table, it's showing that it's only 86 degrees. But if I point it at these lights, wow, it's a whopping 228 degrees.
Good. Now, to quote Tom Hanks, let's create fire. So, with the blind open, let's go outside.
Okay.
Kate, what does temperature read through the window?
Wow, it reads 198 degrees.
Now, let me go inside and close the window. What's the temperature now?
It's only 87 degrees. Wow, Architella is quite the insulator.
Yes, Architella has the highest R value in the window coverings industry.
So the higher the R value, the better the insulator. But what happens in the summer?
Well, in summer, Architella shades against the hot summer sun. Its white backing reflects the heat of the sun, and the air pockets continue to insulate.
So Architella can dramatically reduce a consumer's energy bill. Who knew something with a high R value could also be so beautiful?